231 for 3, and if you can remember, Gopan in the last 2 deliveries which he bowled at the previous over picked up 2 wickets. Bhaskar and Dhruv was dismissed, so he's legally on a hat-trick. Here he goes, the hat-trick ball. Tries to hoik it, and he connects a thick inside edge, but it still carries to the fence. It's going just one way. It's Rajeev's way today.
What can the bowler do? What can the fielders do? This time it's an inside edge, very thick, and it races past the fielder. Shot finally, look at that. She's not happy at all. Where are the fielders? What are they doing? What has happened to Kerala strikers? That's all part of the game. It does happen when you have someone like Rajeev against you, who's played such a great knock. Again he connects, and it goes to the fence once more. There is no justice. That is not fair at all. Rajeev moves to 147.
It's a batsman's game, isn't it? Well, in the last over, having a great time. Danced quite a bit to his tunes. Rajeev this time tries to swing it towards the onside, but fetches him his 16th boundary, and he moves up to 147. It's 3 short of a magnificent 150. Not many times we see in 2020 cricket a player goes on to get 150, and here's a chance for him.
He's eyeing the field. Where will he go this time? Gopan is the bowler. Wants to go big. He doesn't connect it well, but well enough to fetch him another 2 runs. He's on 149. What a knock it has been from Rajeev. Right from the beginning he came in as an opener, and we talked about it. It's good to see him up the order. He's capable of scoring some big runs, and that's what he has done. Was dropped a couple of times, but that doesn't matter. It's a striking power which has been amazing. Again an inside edge. He'll get some more runs. He gets his 150. He's happy. He wants to celebrate with his teammates. It's the Karnataka Bulldozers camp that is so happy for him. All of them applaud him. Take a bow, Rajeev, for a magnificent knock.
What a knock it has been. Clean striking to start off with, and he's played sensibly as well. Just taken him 62 deliveries to get to his 150, and look at those celebrations. He will be a happy man. Mind you, Saba, he'll be a tired man as well by the end of this innings. Return chance, but dropped by Gopan.
Why would he be tired? 16 boundaries and 10 sixes. 241 is the strike rate. He's hardly run singles, Amol. We would love to play an innings like this, isn't it? This is great batting skills from Rajeev. Only 14 dot deliveries and only 18 singles. Come on. A stroll in the park for him.
And fittingly he finishes the innings with a boundary. Well, it's all been a Rajeev show today. And a terrific batting. 154 of just 63 deliveries. Have a look at these scenes which are unfolding in front of you.
Oh, this has been a splendid display of power hitting from Rajeev. Very precise, very clean. He has done his team proud. He's done himself proud. And what a time to play a knock like this. This is the time when they needed him to fire at the top. And he has done a commendable job for his side. Mohan Lal and his side, they have tried the level best. But today, the bowling effort was not good enough. They could not stop the Bulldozers.